In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Vanguard has blocked something from loading on your machine in Valorant. If you've been dealing with this problem, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, let's make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. This is crucial because the problem might be occurring due to compatibility issues. Head over to your computer settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the Settings gear icon. Once you're in the Settings window, navigate to Update Security, then click on Windows Update. Here you should be able to see if there are any pending updates. If updates are available, go ahead and click Download and Install. Keeping your system updated ensures that Vanguard can run smoothly, as developers constantly release updates to fix bugs and improve security. Next, after updating Windows, let's move on to checking if there are any updates for Vanguard itself or for Valorant. Open the Riot Games launcher, and it should automatically scan for updates. This process helps to ensure that you have the latest features and fixes, which may directly resolve the blocking issue you're experiencing. Once any updates have been completed, restart your computer to fully implement these changes. Moving on, let's check your system's driver updates. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause Vanguard to misinterpret them and block necessary components from loading. To check your drivers, right-click on the Windows Start menu icon and select Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, browse through the list to find key areas like display adapters and network adapters. Right-click on each device and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for updated driver software. This will allow Windows to scan for and install the most recent driver updates. Another important step is to ensure that your computer allows Vanguard and Valorant through the firewall. Navigate back to Settings, then Update Security, and finally to Windows Security. Click on Firewall Network Protection, and within here, select Allow an app through the firewall. Look for both Vanguard and Valorant in the list of applications. Make sure both the boxes for private and public networks are checked. This allows the necessary network data to flow through your firewall, ensuring smooth communication with Valorant servers. Finally, if these efforts don't resolve the error, consider performing a fresh installation of Valorant. It might sound drastic, but starting from scratch can sometimes resolve deep-rooted issues. Simply uninstall Valorant through Control Panel or Settings, and then visit the official Valorant website to download and reinstall. I hope this guide effectively helps you tackle the issue of Vanguard blocking something from loading in Valorant. With these solutions, you should be back in the game without any further issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.